So many of you lovely people were asking me how to create seamless 3D characters and videos with ease using AI tools. So today, we're taking a look at Wonder Dynamics. And let me tell you, their game-changing VFX technology absolutely blew my mind. They have this amazing AI tool called Wonder Studio that can automatically animate lights and compose CG characters into live-action scenes. And it's on a completely different level than anything else out there. So how does it work? Looking at this example here, we have a video of a real human walking around, and then you create a 3D generated asset in a program like Blender or Unreal Engine. Wonder Studio then replaces the real human with your 3D generated asset, creating a seamless blend of real-life footage and digital characters. The possibilities are endless. We can see here we replace the human with a robot, a cartoony character, or an alien. Wonder Dynamics maps out the person's skeleton to figure out the exact pose as they're running or walking, and then aligns the 3D image skeleton to match it. It can even isolate the character from the background and track the camera to make it look like the character is really there. What's truly remarkable about this technology is that it's all done behind the scenes. Wonder Studio is doing the motion capture, masking out the character, generating a Blender file, and rendering the final product all with incredible precision and speed. If you take a look at the people behind this amazing technology, you'll find some pretty big names. For instance, Steven Spielberg is one of the investors. One of the co-founders is Ty Sheridan, who played the main character in Ready Player One. Epic Games and Samsung are among the other big investors. You should definitely check out this tool and what it's capable of. They do have a waitlist for beta access, which I've already joined. If and when I get access, I'll be sure to make videos about it. Another exciting aspect of this technology is that it's a web-based editor, meaning you probably won't need an expensive graphics card or a super high-end computer to use it. With most of the processing happening in the cloud behind the scenes, even those with less powerful computers should be able to take advantage of this amazing tool. This will change video and movie making forever. I can't wait to see all the creative things you guys will be making with this technology. If this is as exciting to you as it is to me, head over to wonderdynamics.com and click on Get Started. They have a little form for you to fill out to get on their beta list, and hopefully, some of us will be getting beta access soon. As always, thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.